Hi, I'm James and this is my old van. I just thought I'd give you a tour. I've had it for about 7 or 8 years now, and I've taken it to well over 100 different races all over Europe. Quite often when I had to fly to other races, different continents, I just leave the van at the airport and pick it up where I found it on the way back. And so it's been quite a few different countries, a few different vignettes there. Actually got new windscreen, so actually it should be plastered with way more, but I got it replaced a couple of years ago. This is the cab. Driving seat on the right hand side. Obviously in the UK we drive on the left, so under here some storage, big bad leisure battery, some ghetto wiring. Haven't killed myself or electrocuted anything, so that's good. Got control panel for the solar panels on the roof that charges the leisure battery and the engine battery at the same time, so nothing goes flat. It's a long wheelbase Volkswagen Crafter, it's 7 meters long, 4.3 meters in the back, but I've divided it into two, so there's space for 6 bikes in the garage, complete with the wheels and everything. Get all the tools and spares. This used to be a 6x3 meter easy up tent, but put a big Fiamma awning on the side instead. Down here I always think this is funny, that just arrived one night at Riva Bike Fest. Still don't know who put it there, but it makes me chuckle. So I'll show you the inside of the living space. This is a big blackout window. Open this up, we've got a magnetic whiteboard, still got all my suspension settings from when I was running Fox stuff last year. Little shoe rack under there. Just close the sliding door behind us. Plenty of lights. Got this old snooker table with like storage pockets, which is pretty good. Got this little ball, tell you if you've parked level or not. We're in the driveway, so it's obviously quite flat as it is. Got a few 12-volt sockets on there, one there, some storage space, a little drawer just under there. This table actually folds up, so if you need to get a big box in here, you've got any extra large friends that want to visit, then you can let them in. This folds down, make a sort of single bed sleeping area if you've got any friends coming to stay. Special friends, they get to go in my bed up here. Pulls out, makes it real big. Get that mattress over there and lay it across here, slaps real comfy. More lights, extra 12-volt socket. Cooker, obviously, good for cooking food. Get the kettle on, have a cup of tea. Stainless steel sink, got a pump action tap here, which is quite you know, efficient. You just doesn't use too much water, pretty handy. Got a fridge in here, very useful, especially in the summer when it's baking hot in the Alps. Bin, got this sort of LED flickering light effect going on. I wanted to have a proper wood burning stove, but I realised it was easier just to press the button. We've got a diesel heater instead, so it's you can program it with the time of the day and the day of the week for some central heating. What other aspects have I missed out? This is the clobber to set up the awning. And over here is my comfy seat. It's actually way more comfy than you expect. Quite ergonomic. Just sit here, feet up, and enjoy myself. I kind of always meant to do more kind of stuff with the van, but yeah, for the last 7 years it's pretty much been my home and it's been my little sort of private space, I suppose. But I'm actually selling it tonight, so I thought I would just make this little video as a final farewell, which means that I'm going to get a new van fairly soon and I'm going to make use of the rest of the summer. You know, all the races have been pushed much later on because of this pandemic, and I can start to work on a new project, so I'm looking forward to it. Take care of yourselves. Alright, bye.